YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Like I said, this is part 2. So again, if you watched my previous video on the King Griffies, this is a 3-part series. So this is video 2 we're going into. I don't want to waste no clock. Let's go get into this review. So all my OGs, welcome back to the channel. If you're a new subscriber and you into kicks and fits, you in the right place. So it is Sunday, so all praises to the Most High God, Yahweh. And let's go ahead and get into this review. So cop this pair from, I believe, JD Sports. Yeah, it says it right here. JD Sports. Copped it with my $20 off. I always use $20 off, so got it for a little bit of discount. But right now you can find these on different resale aftermarket places like eBay, StockX, GOAT for the low in this size. But I don't know how long it's going to stay there because I think these sizes are drying up online. And in fact, when I went on JD Sports, I couldn't find this size. I go for a size 10 in Jordan 12s. No more, all sold out. So I only have 2 pairs left. So I would say if you want this pair, after looking at this review and on foot, that's my JD Sports receipt. I would say go ahead and cop these, man. Go ahead and pull the trigger. So, you know, 12s don't really stay around long. This is a black and red 12, so you know the hood loves it. So that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into the review. Jordan face box, of course. That's what we got in this pair right here. I love that they run this box back. They've been doing this for a while now. You've seen the face box, you know what it looks like. Great jump man right there. Things of that nature. So there's a sizing tag right here. Sizing tag does read Air Jordan 12 Retro Black Varsity Red. Simple, size 10. Flip lid. Brown sheet of type of tan brown paper. And there's your shoes. Why they went with this kind of paper, I don't know, but there you have it. And then the inside, you get another sliver of paper in the inside as well. So that's enough for the box. Let's get into the kicks. It's my first time actually seeing these in hand. So let me go ahead and get my eyes right here. Check this out. Okay. Oh, okay. Hey, that's why I say, listen, I always say, don't judge a shoe by pictures you see on the gram. Sometimes videos don't tell the whole story as well. Get the shoe in hand, go to the stores, look at the shoe, because everything's sitting now. So you can go to the store, you can try them on, you can take a look at them in hand. Don't judge a shoe or make a decision until you see a shoe in hand. And bro, these are nice, man. These are nice. These probably gonna stay in the collection. Everybody knows my favorite color is red, and black is secondary. So, and the materials on here are nice. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it, man. I don't want to waste no more clock. So bottom of the shoe, outsole, you got all black outsole, all blacked out. You got that, what is that? Is it varsity red? Yeah, varsity red Jumpman right there at the toe. You got the 23 and that little tab right there in varsity red. And then you got the carbon fiber coming through the sides right here, or sorry, coming through the bottom right here. That's all blacked out as well. Got a little hint of gray, a gray hue to it. Midsole, it's not going to be a long review because it's pretty much a predominantly black shoe. So the midsole all blacked out. You got your hit of varsity red right here with the Jumpman written on it right there. And these are like metallic. I don't know why they didn't call them metallic, but it's like a metallic type of shimmer onto it. It's not like a matte red or anything like that. It's not a leather tab. It's like a metallic. So it kind of makes the shoe pop a lot. So all black upper, nice material, pretty plush. That's the toe box. Nice material on here. And this part right here, that's going up the midsole, it could be a combination of things. I always looked at it like, it looks like snakeskin, but then if you look at it like closely in certain angles, it looks like the leather that's on a basketball. That's what that kind of reminds me of right here, going around the upward shoe on the mid. So you got the metallic eyelets right there with the small Jumpmans on them. fire. Nice touch as well. All blacked out Jumpman. Here's where I have a gripe, right? So when they do shoes like this, anytime there's a chance to make the shoe pop a little bit more, meaning adding that varsity red on different aspects of the shoe, the Jumpman on the tongue, it's a nice leather, soft tongue, but it's all blacked out. Pop him out, man. Put that in varsity red. Back heel, you got the varsity red 23. You got the writing right here. That's normally highlighted, but it's all blacked out on this pair. And it's a leather, all leather back tab. Again, maybe put that Jumpman right there in varsity red. Let that stand out. So again, that's the only gripe I will make about the shoe. Other than that, the shoe is perfect, man. It's a nice shoe. You don't have to worry about the aging look on the sole once that happens or anything like that. Only thing you probably have to worry about maybe 20, 15 years from now is the sole separation. But other than that, man, you get these dirty and mess these up, you kind of rough on shoes. So comment in the comment section down below. How do you feel about this pair? Did you go for a pair? Did you cop? Are you still looking to cop a pair? Just trying to wait a little bit, or let us know in the comment down below. That being said, let's go ahead and I want to go ahead and definitely throw these on feet. Give you guys a look at what they look like on feet. And the leather is nice, man. Even the whole tongue, yeah, these are nice. And they didn't come with extra laces or anything like that, so there will be no extra laces on this pair. But other than that, this shoe is fire, man. I like this shoe a lot, actually. I love the shape too. The shape is better on this pair for some reason. On my taxis, like it's indented like a lot for some reason, but on this pair, not so much. So maybe that has something to do with the back tab being all leather and embossed. I'm not sure. But so with that being said, let's hop into this on foot. Like, comment, subscribe, share the channel, and until the next video, which is coming right up after this, I'm out.
Dying one.
Rob. Rachmaninoff.
I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Dying one, I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done. I'm done one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done.